Hello everyone and welcome again to this video. I will show with you how you can withdraw money from Bittrex global platform. So guys, follow me on these steps and you will withdraw easily. The first step guys, make sure enable your two-factor authentication and make sure you apply for this option, enable this option. And after that, what you have to do guys, go to my profile option, this option as you can see here on my screen, and you should be verify your account from here. And the daily withdraw is $100, and make sure this and after that guys, click this option, the maximum supported. After that guys, what you have to do, just section click on withdraw option on your account, and make sure you have a minimum amount before your credit, and send the message guys to support and write payment ID your payment, and just click withdraw option. And after that guys, confirm your withdraw, the right withdraw. And what you have to do, just click this option and click withdraw from your dashboard, and you will withdraw easily without any problem. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.